Each year, over 1 million people suffer from heart failure, costing the healthcare system $40 billion annually. Hypertension has been shown to lead to heart failure as well as other systemic problems in the kidneys, eyes, and brain. In the heart, high blood pressure causes the heart to hypertrophy and eventually rupturing the cardiac wall. Effective monitoring of blood pressure is essential for providing preventative care for congestive heart failure. Blood pressure can easily be monitored with an implantable MEMS sensor. The device is about the size of a paperclip and can be permanently implanted via catheter. These microsensors are advantageous because they require no batteries, no leads, and can wirelessly transmit information about the blood pressure. Implantable sensors also allow for outpatient medical therapy so patients can monitor their blood pressure from their own home. External components for the device can be installed in the patient's home. When a pressure reading is taken, energy is provided by an external electronic antenna. The sensor uses a microcapacitor to detect changes in blood pressure. Higher pressure decreases the distance between the two plates of the capacitor, which increases the frequency of the signal. The signal can be detected wirelessly from outside the patient's body and recorded on a graphical display. The patient can then send the data to his or her doctor over the internet, where the doctor can make treatment decisions based on the patient's blood pressure. As with any device primarily contacting blood, certain issues regarding biocompatibility must be considered. These pressure sensors fall under ASTM standard F748 5.4.4 and therefore must undergo all relevant testing before any trials can take place. This makes clinical testing and FDA approval an extensive process, and therefore choosing the right materials for the device is critical for product success. For example, CardioMEMS has selected several different types of materials for their Champion wireless pressure measurement system. The wire loops used to anchor the sensor inside the arterial wall are made from nitinol. Once the device is deployed, these wires expand, fixing it in its desired location. The wires are surrounded by a hydrophobic PTFE coating to further reduce any coagulation or thrombus formation. Success of these implantable sensors also hinges on the device's ability to function for long periods of time inside the body. The foreign body response causes proteins and cells to adhere and eventually leading to fibrous encapsulation of the sensor, preventing the device from detecting pressure changes. While the PTFE coating helps prevent biofouling, all MEMS components still must be hermetically sealed in the fused silica housing with a silicone coating. This ensures that the device will function reliably throughout its lifetime. Clinical testing done by CardioMEMS has shown that implantation of these pressure sensors can reduce heart failure hospitalizations by 39% after 15 months. However, they were denied FDA pre-market approval in December 2011. Formal approval would have made this the first implantable heart failure diagnostic device on the market. Whoever the first may be, these sensors will significantly reduce costly hospitalizations as well as improve the health of future heart failure patients.